My name is CarolBryan. I'm a member of the Cruise Lecturers Association, specialising in all aspects of astronomy. Astronomy has been a lifelong interest since, at the age of 10, my father took me out into the garden to watch Sputnik going over. The majority of my working life was spent in education, in state schools, higher education and clinical staff training. But as retirement approached, I decided to begin studying astronomy seriously. I embarked on 14 years of study by distance learning, culminating in an honours degree in astronomy in 2013. I was also elected a Fellow of the Royal Astronomical Society in the same year. Much of my time is now spent in outreach activities with the Hampshire Astronomical Group, leading public and private visits to the observatory. I also give talks to group members and outside societies, and I act as a mentor to Portsmouth University mathematics students undertaking third-year solar projects. I observe the sun whenever the weather allows, and I'm starting to create my own solar images. I'm interested in many topics of astronomy. However, during my degree studies, I became particularly interested in the sun. I've made this my speciality. I look at how the sun's energy is generated, the magnetic field, and the generation of sunspots and prominences. Working out towards the sun's atmosphere, we see the sun's corona during a beautiful total eclipse. Related to the sun is the topic of aurorae and space weather. We look at the solar wind and coronal mass ejections, which send charged particles towards the Earth and create the beautiful colours of the aurora. However, these particles can cause havoc with telecommunications and power networks, so there is now the growing science of space weather. I also do an imaginary journey out through the solar system to the edge of the Milky Way, through the solar system with its planets and moons, and also a closer look at our own moon. Another fascinating area of interest is famous astronomers in history: Galileo, Copernicus, Newton. Their groundbreaking discoveries are well known, but it's interesting to set their work in the context of the times in which they lived. When we look up into the sky on a clear winter's night, we're immediately transported back in time. The light from some of those stars has been travelling to us for thousands of years. It is this that makes me so enthusiastic about my subject, and I'm never happier than when I'm sharing my knowledge and enthusiasm with others. Thank you very much.